Ensuring your Shopify store runs seamlessly and reflects the latest updates is crucial for an optimal user experience. Now, the process of clearing the cache is quite straightforward, so let's delve into the steps to clear the cache in Shopify. So first off, open the Google Chrome and head to the top right corner where you will find three vertical dots. Now just click on them to open the Chrome menu. And then select Clear Browsing Data from the options, then a pop-up window will appear. Now you need to make sure that you're in the advanced mode where various types of data are listed, and on this part, you need to ensure that the cache image and files is selected. So I just want to add that you can also choose to clear other data types if needed. Now, you need to choose the time range for cache clearance. So if you want to remove all cache data, then opt for all time. Now, once the desired data type selected, click on the Clear Data to initiate the cache clearing process. And that's it. Clearing your cache is a simple yet effective practice to maintain the smooth operation of your Shopify store and showcase recent changes. Now, after completing this step, visit your store to confirm that everything is displaying as expected. So just a quick note before I end this video that regularly clearing your cache contributes to an enhanced user experience for both you and your customers. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.